Hey guys, so if you just bought a new luggage case and you want to set a password for the security, like by default, it's always going to be 000, and you can click this, which means that you can fixate and close your luggage like this, and when you need, you can open it, right? But if you want to change the combination of these numbers, what you need to do is, first of all, close the case using, again, 000. Then grab something sharp. I'm using scissors, and you can see here on the side, let me focus. Here on the side is a little button that we need to push inside. There we go. It stays inside. Now, while your lock is closed, button is pushed inside, set in the code that you want to use. I'm gonna have like 6, 5, 2, and 2. Apply the combination. Just try to open it again. There you go. And this is your new combination.